The HawkEvo 4K dual dash cam offers exceptional video quality with its true 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p full high definition for the rear, providing clear and detailed footage of your journeys. Equipped with super night vision technology, this dash cam ensures clear visibility in low light conditions, allowing you to capture sharp images even at night. With integrated GPS tracking, you can easily monitor your driving route, speed, and location, offering an added layer of security and convenience. The dashcam's G sensor records crucial moments by saving footage 30 seconds before and after an incident, ensuring you never miss important evidence. Thanks to its loop recording feature, the camera continuously records by overwriting old footage, so you always have space for new recordings. For enhanced security, the optional parking mode monitors your vehicle's surroundings continuously, providing peace of mind when you are away.